This is an Mk3 chassis from Sureshot Armament Group USA. Review. Sureshot Armament Group makes the best AK chassis on the market. Initially, these were designed in Russia, but now they also have a company in the States, and these are actually made in America. What I'm holding here is the Mk3 chassis, the same one that I modified and used on my SAG Mk3 that I used to win the Finnish brutality. You probably remember that rifle from Forgotten Weapons video where Ian criticized it.
Personally, I can't see any conceivable way that Žiga could win the match with this rifle.
But that's only because he's a sore loser. But in a more serious note, I'm surprised that so many of you actually thought that Ian was serious and didn't get the satire. That video was actually filmed after the Finnish brutality, so Ian was well aware that I won. And it was just meant as a fun video. It actually bothered me a bit that some of you seriously thought that AKs are somehow inferior or that this is a crap chassis. So today, we'll take a closer look of the chassis and I will try to prove it to you that this is an excellent product. The handguard is free-floated. It's attached by 3 screws, the main one back here, and 2 front screws that are attached with M-lock. So you just loosen them a bit, you pull forward and disconnect the handguard. Now, if you remove and attach the handguard back to the chassis, it will retain 0. The rear rail cover is not attached to the main chassis, so it can only be used for magnifiers because it can shift. This is a separate piece, so a field strip can be done quickly without any tools. I would say the main advantage of this chassis is how it attaches to the rifle. This piece locks into the receiver and also around the trunnion extension / rear side block. It uses multiple screws to attach to the monolithic upper. The front piece over here is not touching the barrel. The upper monolithic rail attaches to a proprietary gas tube. These 2 rails are coplanar, so you can use different kind of optics, magnifiers, or you can put night vision or thermal devices in front here, and it will be all on the same level. The suppressor is spicy. The whole rifle is really hot. The receiver over here with the trunnion is hot, but the handguard is just warm. Okay, so the upper is also not hot. I guess this is because it attaches to the proprietary gas tube only with screws here, and then it's free-floated, so that's good.